Yan guys, ang banana cake with almond. So, i-cutting ko na ito siya guys. Ayan. Mukhang masarap ito guys. Ang ano pa lang niya guys, is yummy yummy na. So ayan guys, ang ating banana cake with almond. So let's eat. Yan guys, kain na tayo sa ating banana cake with almonds. Yummy. Yung ibang dalawang saging, libre na sa snack. Dalawang saging lang pero marami na siya guys. Malaki kasi yung saging.